Hello and welcome to Math Plus Tutors. Today we're going to work on oblique triangles. I have a question here. I will read it with you. In the slider crank mechanism shown, find the distance x between the wrist pin W and the crank center C when theta equals 35.7. So basically I have this length AW is shown, AC is also shown, and the angle theta here 35.7. I have two methods to solve any oblique triangle. One of them is sine law, that's when I have two sides and one angle, or cosine law when I have two sides and the angle in between, or I have three sides. In this case, I have two sides and one of them actually is across from a known angle, so I am going to use the sine law. Let's apply. So in this case, I have the side length 255 across from the angle 35.7, and this is we call theta. So I'm gonna say sine theta over the 255 equals what? That will equal sine W, this angle here, sine W over the length across from it, which is already also well known, 112. And that should equal sine A, the angle A, the one on the top, over the length x. Now I am interested in this x, but I also don't have the angle A. I can't use this trig ratio right away, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to use the first two here to figure out W. From W I will figure out A. So start with that in mind. I have sine 35.7 over 255 should equal sine W over 112. If we cross multiply, then 255 sine W should equal the 112 sine 35.7. Divide by 255 both sides. This cancels out. I get sine W. From sine W, which is 0.2563, if I want to figure out the angle W, I'm gonna say it's inverse sine of that value. Okay, using that you will figure out that W equals 14.9 degrees. If that's the case, how can I find A again? Okay, let's look at our triangle. I have the triangle made up of theta, A, and W. So all three add up to 180. I already have theta, I already have W, then I'm gonna say that angle A should equal 180 minus 35.7 minus 14.9, or A in this case will be 129.4 degrees. Okay, that's great. Now I have angle A here. I can apply it in the equation for the sine law again. I'm gonna say sine the 129.4 over x, which is my unknown, should equal the sine of 35.7 over the 255. Cross multiply once more. I will get x sine 35.7 should equal the 255 times sine 129.4. Divide by sine 35.7 both sides. I will get the value here for x, and x turns out to be 337.67. But because if I go to my setup, I have the numbers here, the length are given only in millimeter to the closest to whole millimeter, then I'm gonna say then x, therefore x will be 338 millimeter. And that's my final answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.